Hello, and welcome to another update video about SUI. Yeah, we start here briefly on the daily time frame. This is obviously the larger time frame chart that we talk about regularly. You have here the main support area between $1.99 and $3.34. And ideally from here we see one more rally, at least in this cycle. That's very much in line with the Bitcoin chart. It would also lead to a three-wave price top, something that the altcoins love to do. A, B, C, and then possibly a large correction. I would not rely on the white scenario. It's possible, it's valid, but needs to prove itself. It's certainly possible, but the price would need to hold support, possibly around 191 after this next top has formed. So either way, a large correction is going to be underway. This could be a substantial correction anyway in this wave 4. But we will not be able to really fully define the support area until the price has really formed a top in that yellow C wave or in the white third wave. Overall, the focus is on higher, especially as long as the February low is holding. Now, let's take a look at the shorter time frame for SUI. Oops, this is link. Why is this link? Where's my SUI chart? I really have to open it again. Oops, I thought I had it open. Okay, so let's do the short-term SUI chart. Yeah, here, I mean, this is super messy structure, obviously. We see that at the moment across the sector. And probably still one of the better looking charts, I have to say, especially if we compare it with a lot of the other altcoins that are just sort of, still trolling around the February lows. At least SUI rallied a little bit, okay, and SUI indeed moved up, quite a bit from the February low. We talk about roughly to where we are now, 40%, and it was already around 60%, 56. But we're now in a local downtrend again here over the weekend. That is not necessarily a problem. Assumption would be that this is just an extended wave 2. I think I talked about that in the last video. I think yesterday I left it kind of open what it is, but I highlighted I leave the support area where it is for now because it could just be tested again, and then it would likely be just an extended wave 2. So just to explain, we have a first rally from the February low, wave 1 up, wave 2 down, and then from here, obviously, it would be ideal to get a third wave rolling. Maybe it's already running, a third of a third should then be next once we have formed a local low there. But it is nothing I'm fully convinced of yet, because the rally to the upside is not yet giving me third wave vibes. So every wave, every structure in Elliott wave, or in the markets rather, but Elliott wave tells us that this is the case, has a certain sentiment. The third wave is typically the FOMO wave, and especially the third wave of the third wave, which would be characterized by a lot of upside momentum, but we have not yet found support. Okay, so yes, found support here, testing it again, possibly. 329, 321, reasonable targets for this move down. Looks a bit like a 5-wave move down as well. That's unfolding here, which is okay, because this could simply be a C wave, okay, which is a 5-wave move. So that's what I'm tracking. Important is now to maintain this perspective that the price isn't going to break below the $3.1 level, because any sustained break below the 78.6 retracement would indicate that we're likely going to, retest lower support, which is down to 266, and we would likely reset the larger wave 2. So I could say alternative 2. Yeah. So this wave 2, which potentially bottomed around the 9th of February, would still be unfolding. Would also not be a problem, but below 266, the directly bullish thesis that assumes that a fourth wave bottomed here around the 3rd of Feb will have to be revised. Yeah, that's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And if you are interested in additional content, I mean, the markets are a bit boring at the moment, so we keep it interesting on the MCO Global channel. I've uploaded a video today about where Bitcoin's top could lie for this cycle, talking about the long-term scenarios and talking about different on-chain indicators. So if you're interested in that, check it out. It's brand new, fresh out of the oven for you. But these videos on this channel are designed to be relevant long-term. So they don't have a 24-hour expiry date. or expiry. So yeah, check it out. Link is in the description. Thank you very much. Bye bye.